Welcome to Epoch Trades, where we trade the new age. Today we're going to be covering key levels on the monthly and weekly time frame for rows. So, as always, our key level criteria, we look for swing highs and swing lows, multiple rejections, acted as support and resistance, drastic moves away, obvious to spot, and recently formed. So, let's go ahead and hop right in. Now the first key level we can plot is our monthly swing high here, right around 0.43. Now we can also plot in our swing lows here, right around 5.4, or 0.054 and 0.046. And as always, we color coordinate our key levels to the time frame we're working in. Now, let's go ahead and hop to the weekly. So, here on the weekly, what do we notice? We can see multiple reactions to our monthly level here. But, we notice price has a weekly support level right here around 0.03. We also notice a key level right here, right around 0.1, where we see multiple reactions to the level acting as resistance and a little bit of support over here as we see wicks sticking around the level. It is more clear if we draw in a zone, as we can see multiple reactions to this area of price. Now, we also notice a key level right here, where we see multiple reactions acting as resistance and support. And we also have a key level right here. And before I go any further, this key level is right around 0.22 and 0.20. We also have a key level here acting as support and resistance, and acting as support here again, right around 0.17 and 0.16. Now we can also plot our weekly swing high here, right around 0.52, and we can plot a key level right here, right around 0.31 and 0.30. So, looking at the chart, these are all of our key levels plotted on the monthly and weekly time frames. If you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.